So what's up guys and welcome back. So we're going to do the Ratchet and Clank part 6. We have to go to Nebula G34. So let's go. So I just want to say a few words that you guys are awesome, and so now let's go to that what place is that? See, now we are in Vilgar. We have to go to Nebula G34. Nebula G34. Well, we got the trespasser from the Rhino dealer, and if we collect all cards, we might just get ourselves so lucky. Can you guess what it is? Rhino cards, and then we'll get the super weapon of the whole galaxy. I'm gonna get that weapon before the game ends.
And so our heroes return to Operation Falling Star. Their mission, to seek out and destroy Drek's top secret experiment.
I'll buy a pixelizer.
Sure. Have fun with your new pixelizer.
Hey, I'll just upgrade. You know, maybe pixelizer may be nice. Okay. See, I'm not going to use a pixelizer. I'll just see if any super villains or someone come, okay? Hey, I don't think super villains are there in this game. Well, I'm not underestimating it. Oh!
Ratchet, look out.
Man, you are not going to give up. Well, sorry man. Combustor should have you bring it down. And guys, yeah, see, in my last video I tried, but I couldn't do anything properly. So there was a Rhino card over here. So you can collect that. I already opened it. That's all I did. Like this. God. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not gonna use that on these guys. These guys are simple like anything. Not this guy. Okay. So now we defeated those guys, and well, we have to go over there. And plus guys, let me see what's over here. There's nothing. So there was something. You are messing with the wrong man today. I'm the hero. What is this guy trying to do? Oh my my god. Well, that was awesome. The radiation caused it to fall down. See? That one, that's the guy. So now let's go. Oh my god.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast.
Snagglebeast!
Doctor Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
No, it is.
Wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me?
Hey, Captain Cook is jealous of Ratchet.
Oh boy.
Not oh boy. It's all.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
Ow. Oh my god.
Oh boy. Have ammo.
Hey, Pixelizer is awesome, man. Defeat him easily.
Initiate charge attack. We lost control of the subject.
He's down.
Where is your master? I want to fight him. Is he too scared to face me? Well, you bet it is. Man. Zuko! Here's your chance.
Begin fire sleep protocol.
$35.
Miles was ticked off. Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava.
I know.
Let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
No! No! No. I can't believe it.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
Oh my god. Super crazy.
Initiate charge attack.
This time I'm gonna get ammo like anything.
We lost control of the subject.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Yes.
You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for. much Mr. Zircon lives for. Q plus Mr. Zircon equals die.
Thanks God. Hey, you know what? Groove it out, baby!
Ticked off. Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Okay, we got it back under control. Let's keep moving, folks.
These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
They were fighting.
It's too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon cannot wait to kill
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Defeated him. Blargian, Snagglebeast over.
Please don't hurt me.
Tell us what.
Tell us.
Oh my God. Hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
I know.
Whoa.
I'm so parched right now.
Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I can give you this info bot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention. The
Okay.
XK-81 jetpack!
XKB1 jetpack.
Small setback. I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Doctor Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snagglebeast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's
Impressive. One second. Oh my God. I just checked that my video is safe. Oh God. Okay, let's get all of these points.
Hey,
Okay, let's go and
the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, Alaris can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring
Captain
one
Cook,
jetpack.
the jelliest, no,
I
The most jealous man on the earth. Not jelliest. That's not proper English grammar. Hey, send Clank to explore. Oh, Clank is nice. I like him. He's kind of cute. You know, he's not that powerful or something. Oh, his greatest villains are these. No, it's Victor Von Iron Death. Like that guy. No, I've seen him in the movie. I've always wanted to play this game, and this is the best game, I think. Not the best game, but it's a nice game. Top 5 of mine. Hey, what's that? Is that a book or thing or a new
What
type
is
of
that?
card? Oh, I think it's only for clan.
How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip.
Yeah.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Nice.
Man, what'd you get?
Okay.
Share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
Even this game is mostly of things like jealousy. Oh! Wow, that's awesome. Bridge. I think we have to take. Hey, but I want that one. Do not mess and harm small robot. Hey, that's a Rotarium. Man, I should have upgrade my weapon first. Rotarium and set, babe. Man, this game is a little intelligent types of games. Oh, yeah, I think we need a bot for that to open. But there's no green button. Okay, I think I just saw one. Changes into power bot, yeah. So there are springbot, bridge bot, and power bot. Now I need a power bot.
Program these Gadgetbots.
Man, so cool. Okay, you know, let's go get him. Let's go get him. Oh, it's not even a puzzle. What do you? I think I need that one. Springboard I need now, and I'll bring you. Now I need a springboard. Hey, just stay there. Oh. I'll put this one here. Oh yeah, they both are going in the same cable. Yeah, so when we put in the same cable, this one is giving electricity and the door will stay open. Maybe. Yeah, see? They both are in the same cable, so we can put like that. Oh, this is all. I thought more of an... I expected more, but it's okay.
There they are.
There they are. Hey, what was it? It was some kind of shoe.
I just located a pair of Magna boots.
No, Magna
Returning to your
boots.
position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Return to Ratchet. Okay.
puny to wear the Magna Boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
Oh, search the Blargian worship for weapons. So we finished this side and set. Once again, what's that side? It's just a pod. Well, we can't go in that. So in this side, in these two, we have completed them, and so now in the opposite side, this place we fought Blargian, Snagglebeast, and it's over. I think here we have to go. Board warship.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Okay, let's go see. Oh.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Shut up. Before
Ain't she a beaut? Take out the law back!
Hey, wait. Oh wow, a cool weapon.
Removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
This doesn't look good.
I thought that was Hereditarium. I'm not going to fight any of you guys.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Come on.
Ship will...
Yeah. Okay, so all primary. Okay.
We should go to Planet Gaspar and find out what Doctor Nefarious is up to.
Yeah, 1 second. So guys, I think I found all the rhino places. No, still the plans we go.
Just need some coordinates.
In Novalis, wait, not in Novalis. Caravan, wait, Novalis. There's no. In Caravan, where we fought that those guys, I think I found it. I think that time I saw a card over there, so maybe, like, you know, maybe it's there.
Come find me when you want to upgrade a weapon. I'm ready.
It's not over here. It's not near the Hall of Heroes. What's this?
Attention travelers. Grav train D is about to depart. Next stop, the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, what's this? That's quite unexpected.
Captain Quirk here, reminding you that I've got your back. You're welcome.
It's somewhere. No. Oh, I thought. You know, after the bomb, when we came to that place, the thing is, I actually don't remember. See, that Al and all. Yeah. Well, it's bad luck for me. Okay, let's just go. We'll check for the rhino cards later.
Where to next?
We must learn what Nefarious is up to on planet Gaspar.
Okay, so let's go to Gaspar. Gaspar. You know, I'll think card collection. I'll do the collect the rhino cards later. So guys, that's all for Ratchet and Clank
let's go
Part
find
6.
you a new
See you in
jetpack.
Part 7.